we will learn how can we create different Python environments and same Anaconda. So first of all, you have to go to Anaconda prompt um, and run as administrator. So right now, check out which Conda version you are using and which Python version. Right now I am using 2.7.15. So if I want to create a Python 3.6 environment in my Anaconda, so I have to first conda create name. I am writing name py36. You can write your own any other name. 3.6. So even if you want to install some other libraries like pandas and scpy, you can write, but right now I am not, so it will take some little bit time. And okay, done. And you have to write y, and then it's executing. So okay, so it's done. So if you want to activate this environment, you can write conda activate py36. Now you can check the version of Python. You can see that it's now 3.6.7. Now if you want to check the environment list, so you can see that now we have three different environments, that is py36. Now I'm using py36 environment, and gel and base, these are two other environments. So first of all, if you want to you can say remove this environment, so you have to deactivate this environment. So for that purpose, sorry, deactivate, and then you have to conda and environment remove name py36. So you have to okay conda a and b remove name by 36. So now you can see that our environment is removed, and our base version is came back. So you can see that again, Python version. Now our Python is 2.7.5, and now we can check the environment list. So now you can see that we have already removed our py36 environment. So in this way you can install different other libraries. For example, if I want to install pandas and another thing, so I can add, or at the end of my you can say pathway. So let's suppose conda create name py36 Python 3.6, and at the end if you write anaconda, so it will install all other libraries and all other packages automatically. So it will take a lot of time, and so I hope you understand how we can create different Python environments in same anaconda. So if you like our video, kindly share it, and we will again see you. Bye.